new to this channel, I post all things coffee and milk tea and tea. So if you're planning to start your own cafe or you already have an existing cafe, pop up, earning from home and making your own drinks from home, then this is the channel that you should be subscribed to. Today is another exciting episode because I am going to show you how to make bottled drinks, and it's going to be budget friendly. So you can start a business from home and earn money using instant coffee. The main difference from the recipe that I'm going to show you today from the recipes that I have shown you previously is that we are going to make this very budget friendly. And at the same time, it's going to be delicious. So it would be easy to sell. I am going to show you how to make mocha using instant coffee, but this time we are going to use milk powder instead of sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk. Before we continue, click that subscribe button. Also, if you like this video, make sure you also like and comment and share the love. And for this, I'm going to use 200 milliliters bottle. So all you have to do is to chill these bottles. You don't need to put ice in them, but you have to make sure they are chilled. The investment required for this business is very minimal. All you need would be most of the things that you probably already have at home. The only thing that I would suggest to add that you might not have is a scale. I would suggest that you have a scale because all the ingredients must be measured to precision, and so the taste will be consistent. Let's take a look at the ingredients. For the ingredients, I'm going to use instant coffee. Now you can use any brand. This I'm using Nescafe here. And you can also use Milo. This is a chocolate malt powder drink, so you can use Milo or Ovaltine. And as I have said, we are going to replace condensed milk with milk powder. And to make it more creamy, I'm going to add non-dairy creamer. This could be something like Coffee Mate or an alternative. And to make it sweet, we are going to add sugar. So all these ingredients together in hot water, 3 liters of hot water, and we are ready to make our drink. So first, make sure you boil your water because all the ingredients are dry. So here I have 3 liters of boiled water. I'm going to start with the first one, which is our instant coffee. To make this mocha, we need our chocolate powder. This time I'm using Milo. Add the milk powder. To make this creamy, I'm going to add some non-dairy creamer. Any coffee creamer would do for this. And finally, to make it sweet, we're going to add sugar. The recipe that I gave you here is for 100% sweetness level. Now remember, this is ready to drink, but there's no additional ice. This is it. Whatever comes out is the final yield. And make sure that you stir and everything is dissolved in the hot water. For those that have already watched my previous video on making bottled Neslo, this is another version. In the earlier version, we used sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk. This time, just the milk powder. This batch gives a total yield of 3,700 milliliters. At 200 milliliters per bottle, the total should be about 18 bottles. These drinks are perfect for selling from home, pop-up cafes, near offices, and busy areas like buses and jeepney stations. They are also perfect for catering or simply enjoying them at home on demand. The shelf life is up to 5 days chilled. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to also check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and The Basic Barista. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.